Good day, everyone. Today, I'll explain to you these 10 divisibility rules. So, number 1 is every number is divisible by 1. So, lahat talaga ng number is divisible by 1 without leaving any reminder. Just for example, itong 7 divided by 1 is equals 7, or 10 divided by 1 is equals 10. Another is 20 divided by 1 is equals to 20. So, kahit anong number is madivisible talaga or madidivide talaga natin into 1 at ang answer pa rin is yung pinakamalaking number. So, again, every number is divisible by 1. Number 2, a number is divisible by 2 if it is even. So, lahat ng number na mag-start from 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, or number na mag-end into even number is divisible siya into 2. Like for example, yung example is yung 12. So, divisible siya into 2 kasi nga, it is even. 'Di ba? Yung mga even numbers sila yung mga 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and many more. Marami pa mga even numbers. So, lahat ng even number is divisible siya into 2. So, number 3, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is a multiple of 3. So, ibig sabihin nito, add all the digits in the number and yung total niya, if yung total niya is divisible by 3, it means it is divisible by 3. So, paano nga ba ito para mas maintindihan nyo? For example, is yung 1, 2, and 3. So, ito siya is divisible by 3 kasi nga, like what I've mentioned earlier, kung i-add nyo ito sila sa i-add nyo ito lahat, at ang lalabas nito is a multiple of 3, it means it's divisible by 3. So, i-add natin yan. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal 6. At ang 6 is divisible by 3 kasi nga, 3 times 2 is equals to 6. Therefore, it is divisible by 3. Itong number na ito is divisible by 3. Okay? So, let's proceed to the number 4. A number is divisible by 4 if its last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So, if kung yung last 2 digits niya daw, nung number is magpo-form siya ng divisible by 4, then the whole number or yung entire numbers is divisible siya into 4. Example of this one is yung 2, 1, 6. So, divisible siya into 4. Bakit nga ba? Diba sabi kanina, if its last 2 digits are divisible by 4, it means it's divisible by 4. Itong 16 na ito, itong 2 last digits number is divisible by 4. Bakit? Kasi 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Therefore, the whole number, like what I mentioned earlier, the whole number is divisible by 4. Number 5, a number is divisible by 5 if its last digits is either 0 or 5. Simple lang yan. Yung lahat ng number na mag-e-end siya sa 5 at 0 is divisible siya by 5. Example, yung 35. Diba? Example, yung 35. Yung last number nito, last digit nito is 5, which is na-mention dito. Na kung ang number is mag-e-end siya sa 5 or 0, it is divisible by 5. Or yung another example is yung 20. Diba? Divisible siya into 5. Kasi nga, kasi na-mention dito, if its last digit is either 0 or 5. So, divisible itong dalawa into 5. Or yung 30, 40, 50, 60, or yung 25, 15. Yung mga number na mag-e-end sa 5 at 0 is divisible by 5. Next, number 6, a number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. So, sinabi dito, yung number must divisible for both 2 and 3, or yung mga even number at yung mga number na yung sum niya is is multiple of 3. Yun dapat yung ma-reach niya para ma-divisible siya by 6. Example is yung pinakamadali, yung 18, di ba? Yung 18 is belong siya sa even number, which is yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18, di ba? Even number siya. Therefore, pasok siya sa 2. And sa letter C naman sa 3. So, i-add natin, katulad ng sinabi dito, i-add natin yung mga number para ma-divisible siya into 3. 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. And 3 times 3 is 9. So, it means, itong number na ito is divisible din siya into 3. Pasok din siya. So, this number is even number which is divisible by 2. And this number is divisible by 3. Therefore, it means this number is divisible by 6. This number. Okay. Let's proceed to number 7. A number is divisible by 7 if the difference between twice the unit's digit and the remaining digit is divisible by 7. So, kunin daw ang last digit at ito doble yun siya and isa-subtract or ima-minus siya if from the rest of the number. So, ima-minus natin siya from the rest of the number. If yung result is divisible by 7, it means the original number is divisible daw by 7. So, paano ba ito? Para mas maintindihan natin, let's have our example. Example, yung 128. So, sabi ko nga kanina, kunin na yung last digits and then isa-subtract natin siya into the original number. Like this one. Yung 12, ito yung 12. Ima-minus natin siya into 12 times 8. Saan natin kinuha? Ito siya. Is equals to, get this one. And then, ito muna sa parenthesis. Diba? 12 times 8 is 96. Minus 96. Ito yan. 12 minus 96 na. So, 12 minus 96 is equals to 84. Diba? This is the, so this one, this number, or this number is divisible siya by 7. At sabi ko, if the total or the sum of the original number is divisible by 7, it means the original number is divisible by 7. So, meaning nun, itong 128 is divisible siya into 7. Diba? Kasi 84. So, para mas madali nyong maintindihan is kasi yung 7 times 12 is equals to 84, which is the total or the sum of this original number. Yung 84 is madidivide siya into 7 without any remainder. Therefore, this original number is divisible by 7. Gets? So, number 8, a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Kung yung last 3 digits daw is divisible siya sa 8, it means the entire number is divisible by 8. Like this one, example, 1,128. So, itong last 3 digits number is divisible siya by 8. So, paano ko kinuha? Dinidivide ko lang yan. So, 12 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then bring down the 8. 48. Divided by 8 is 6. And 6 times 8 is 48. Then 48 is 0. So it means, diba? Without any reminder, 0, diba? So it means the entire number is divisible by 8 because the last 3 digits number which is 128 is divisible sila sa 8. Madidivide sila sa 8. Kaya, meaning nun, lahat ng number na ito which is 1,128 is divisible siya sa 8. Okay? So, let's proceed to number 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. So, add all the digits in the number, yung example natin, or yung magiging number na ipoprovide. Yung total or sum is divisible by 9, then the original number is also divisible by 9. So, let's have our example para mas maintindihan nyo. Example, yung 279. So, i-add lang natin siya kasi sabi ko nga, di ba, add all the digits in the number. I-add natin siya ganito. 2 plus 7 plus 9 is equals to 18. So, yung 18, which is the sum of this number, is divisible siya by 9. Therefore, the original number is divisible by 9. Di ba? Kasi nga, di ba, 9 times 2 is 18. Nadi-divide siya into 9 without any remainder. Therefore, this original number is divisible by 9. Okay? So, let's proceed to the last rule. A number is divisible by 10 if the unit's digit is 0. So, same goes sa number 5, which is kapag yung last number is 0 and 5, it means divisible siya into 5. Same goes itong last na rule. Yung number daw, last digit of the number is 0. It means divisible siya into 10. Like, for example, yung 120, 140, 160, 130, and all of the number that ends or yung lahat ng number na ang last digit niya is 0 is divisible siya into 10. Okay, that's all.